I will even probably today or tomorrow record a video with all the items that will be on the giveaway, so people can. Oh, Ogre, that's not bad drop. Hopefully for good ED row. We see what's gonna be. Let's first deal with this boss because it's so annoying. Damn, I can't even teleport. What's going on? Is this some kind of bug, or I don't know, you can't actually teleport here in this area anymore? Okay, let's see. Oh, perfect TD row, damn. That's a banger. Perfect TD row, still rent. Damn. It's... Damn. Really good found. Let me put them on the found list. Damn, Myth, if you just missed a nice drop. 80 ED steel rent gloves with 11 crushing bow and 17 strength on them. I will corrupt them though now after I finish this map. And see if we are lucky to get something else, maybe additional ED. Damn, it will be crazy. Oh, there is the shard. Okay, let's see. Now I'm gonna corrupt probably the Immortal King Hammer. Oh, it's shit hero now. Okay, let's go with the gloves. Damn, additional ED. Oh damn, crazy. I just said that. Damn, 37 additional ED. That's crazy. That's a lot of ED for a single gloves. A lot of ED. 117. Okay. 117.